In this demonstration, you'll learn how to display contour plots on streamlines. In Ansys AIM, you can use streamlines to visualize the velocity of a particle through various stages on your flow region. You can create contour plots to display other variables on streamlines. I've created a simulation process using the fluid region of an exhaust manifold geometry, with 3 velocity inlets and 1 zero pressure outlet. I'll start by adding a streamline starting from the inlet boundaries. While holding down the Control key, I'll select the 3 inlet boundaries and right-click in the graphics viewer to create a streamline. I'll enter 25 for the approximate number of points for each inlet boundary. I now have everything I need to create a streamline, so I'll return to the task page and click Update. And now the flow streamlines have been created. In the task page, I'll change the appearance of the streamlines by changing the line type to ribbon. This helps us to see the streamlines better. I'll now create a contour by right-clicking in the graphics viewer. I'll select Pressure under Variable. In the task page, I'll select Streamline 1 from the drop-down menu under Location. When I update the task page, I can see my original streamlines colored by the pressure variable. I can easily animate these streamlines by right-clicking in the graphics view and selecting Animate. And that completes this demonstration of displaying pressure contour plots on streamlines.